Hey everyone, my name is Saf. You're watching Grey on Tech TV, and we are continuing on UI UX development series. Today we have a special topic to discuss, that is pane layout. Now you might have heard different type of layouts, for example, card layout, box layout, column layout, columns layout, billboard layout, and stuff. But today we will be understanding what is pane layout. So there are scenarios where you have to design dashboards with the individual scrolling. Individual scrolling means there will be a separate, uh, you know, division of your home screen which requires a scroll of the contents, whereas the rest of the part of the screen should be remaining intact. So in that scenario, you need a division of your screen in different panes so that the independent scrolling or independent readability and accessibility can be enhanced and the user can get that part only scrolled where the data is there and he needs to scroll it and rest of the part remains intact. So let's see the documentation of pane layout and then we'll see the practical. So the pane layout starts with a bank pane layout definition where we are having panes as list of panes and a show when condition. So pane is nothing but the actual pane that you want to define, like how many panes you want. Panes means how many pieces of screen division you want to do. Like you remember in process model we are having horizontal pane and vertical pane. That is kind of a similar pane we have here, but it is there in interface. So we are designing interface by dividing this home screen or dividing the screen of the interface in different panes or parts. So consider pane as parts only. So pane layout means consider it as a part piece or part layout. So in the pane layout, we are having a bank pane layout and we are having a list of panes. So uh, as you can see that there is panes as a requirement. So if you want to use panes inside a pane layout, you need to define panes. How to define panes? We are having a bank pane. In a bank pane, it is a function definition where we are having contents which can contain any sub layout or any component inside it as a pane, and we are having width, background color, show when, padding, accessibility text. Quite generic configuration. We are easy to understand, and let's go with the direct implementation. So let's drop pane layout and see what we get in the code. We get a bank pane and a bank pane wrapped inside a pane layout. So if we collapse this and again we collapse this, we are here with a bank pane layout with panes and shown. So do we have panes? Yes, we have panes as a property and we are defining a list of panes. Now because inside our panes we are having two panes, first one and second one, that is why we are able to see the two divisions of our home screen, right? Inside our panes property. So first is a bank pane and the second one is a bank pane. The first configuration is having a width configuration. The first pane is narrow plus. That is why the screen is divided into left hand side in a little bit shorter and shrinker way because it is narrow. Whereas in the right side, we are having a bank pane as width auto. So whatever balance width is there, it is automatically adjusting. The left side got the shrink of narrow plus, right? So instead of narrow plus, if I do extra narrow, so you can see my pane is adjusted accordingly. So let me undo that and let's see how the scrolling works. So as you can see that our pane layout is ready with two panes. If you want to increase one more pane, you can. So let's write two panes as of now and then we can see what we can do. So let's go with any kind of interface which will help me design this. Do we have any content? Let's see expression rules, pitch. Hmm. Let me grab some code from our home page. Yeah, home page is a good part to see. This will save our time. So for example, I am having this like this for each, right? For case notes, right? Let me copy this and let me paste it. Paste it. Okay. Are we missing something? Oh, we need to configure this. Let me write it 3 times. Now we have written it 3 times. We have to define local bank lightweight case notes that's available here. If we copy it here and we define it here on the top, just creating a local variable function. Now, are we missing something? Double comma. As you can see, we got a for each loop with the scrolling. We have enough content for it. So if I collapse this, again I collapse this, and I copy the same thing 2 times inside the another pane. So now you can easily understand what's the utility of pane layout. So as you can see in the left hand side, it is not that you will have this content only, but it can be any of the content, maybe some FAQs, some actions, some chart information, and then some detailed explanation in terms of information on the right hand side. So there are scenarios where you want to scroll on the left hand side only. So this is a very good piece of design which you can utilize through pane layout. And then there is only the right side which you want to scroll, and the left side will remain intact. So this is something that you can follow up. Similarly, we can create one more, pane. So let me collapse it. The first one, okay, we have to collapse the panes. So let me grab one more pane and paste it below it. Now the last one will be auto. So means it will be equally divided basically. So as you can see, all my screens are having individual. The left one is narrow plus, and the balance space which is available is equally divided between 2 panes because it is auto. So you can create a you know different scalar division based home page kind of this. So it is a very good piece of design element that you can use inside your home page in your new implementations of Appian. So if you really liked my explanation, drop a like, subscribe to this channel, and feel free to comment if you want me to cover any topic. And don't forget to subscribe. This is a very good thing to keep me motivated to contribute more to YouTube and guide you more. You can join us on our Telegram community. And yeah, that's all about it. Till then, I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.